On my mom, bro. Y'all love these videos. Wait. What's this?
I just might pull up and drop tops on my speed. Down in LA with my niggas smoking trees. One phone call, nigga, tell me what you need. No, I'm not a...
Y'all love these videos.
Oops.
Swear y'all do. What's up, Bucket Gang? It's your boy Jimmy Buckets, and we here with another dread video. I think this the 3-month update. I don't even know, but this dread right here is one of my new ones. As y'all can see, it's one of my new ones. Oh yeah. Just like that. But we here with how to make your freeforms like more freely than usual. I just got through doing everything that I'm finna do in this video, so that's why they look all like I just got to doing. I got new towels. I got new towels. I got 3 of these and 3 light blue ones right here. I got 3 gray ones and 3 of this color. Cause I needed new towels, because you can't use the same towel over and over again all the time. Like that would end up making your hair like really dirty and like messed up. And your hair already gotta be dirty, so you can't just do that, cause that's really nasty. But as y'all can see, boy, got the cut. But yeah, so when
Thank God for my reefer, man. That shit good.
remember what I said about the what I said about the do-rag? I don't use that every night no more because of this because this new thing I have for my hair. It's like, okay, so it's like this. You see how my hair is right now? My hair usually looks like this at the end of the day because of this right here. This is what you need. You don't need this kind of, you don't really need this exact band, but you need this right here. You need one of these kind of bands. Just need a rubber band. Not a small one, not a little small, skinny black one. One like this. A scrunchie, whatever. That's what my mom calls it. But, so, when you finna go to sleep, you do like this right here. This is exactly what you do. And if y'all got like one of these right here, cause someone asked me about how I get this one hanging down like that, cause he wanted it too. But you do just like this. You get all the hair you can fit. Some of my sides ain't gonna fit though. See if this will fit. Yup, give me that. And you do like this. Put it in there. Go around. One more time. And you stretch it. This is my best dread right here. This is the best one. This is the one that's like locked up already through. This was my fastest lock, my first one. As you can tell, cause it got the whole form. The whole form is done. It's just gotta get longer, more mature now. And I have 2 of them that's about good now. It could just go on its own. I think it's, nah. I'll show you after I get through. Look at that edge up, fool. Hey, all I gotta say, only reason I wouldn't rock this all the time, for my sakes. God damn! My forehead looks like mad big with this. But yeah, you get your stuff in a ponytail like this. And the back, I do the back one too. And I just leave it in all night. I wake up, take it out, and I just do like this. I'm gonna show you exactly how I do it. I just take it out, and you know, it'll look somewhat like this. I just do this right here. It'll look just like this. Oh yeah, it makes it a whole lot more free. And it'd be like you can just shake it off of little stuff. Look, it don't usually, my hair usually don't shake off that, but if you would do like that, yeah, it's gonna shake. And then I do like this right here, like right after you take it out, spread it out, shake it all over that. Then you do like this. I already watered my hair, so it's already good enough to get caught on with the towel. But wet your hair a little bit, get your towel, and do like this. It's like every time I stop doing it, I shake it, so it can get like that. See the left side. Let's see how free it is. My hair is usually not like that free, but since I put the rubber band in and I left it in for a little bit, it's just free now. Here's the second one that I was talking about. This my second lock dread that's locked up now. So yeah, it's like these two, this one, and this one up here. Those are locked now. I was really expecting for this one to be like one of the first to lock up, but it's not even thick yet. It's like it's not even hard to push on. But this right here, it's like, you know, got that pressure to it. If y'all know what I mean. It's like this. It's like when you squeeze the rubber band and you feel that, like you feel how the inside is. It's like it's not hollow. That's probably what I'm trying to say. It's not hollow. That's what I'm saying. It's like filled in. That's what I thought this one was gonna be like. But you just get your towel and you twist all of it. See how it is now? And it's like really free too. It's like it'll move around. It'll move around like a whole lot more. I almost said a hot lot. It will move around a whole lot more. No, I can't talk. But yeah. But I'm gonna start making more and more of these, cause I can just tell y'all like these. I can just tell y'all that y'all like these like a lot. Well, I'm guessing this the 3rd month of me having freeforms. Is these 3 in 1? Look at this. I got a 3 in 1 full. If y'all can see, hold on. I gotta see this for myself. Yeah, it's a 3 in 1. Now I got them turnables right there. Let me see if I can show y'all. I hope y'all can see this. Yeah, I see it. Some of these are to the root.
Face. Look, hating ass niggas in my face. I don't wanna kick it, I'm okay. I'm posted up, been frank. Need a set, hit me when you're on the way. Look, 6 feet, this is on the wrong waist. Just see the look up on their face. Shawty throwing pussy, but I'm straight. Bitch, your pussy need an update. Look, fuck what a nigga gotta say. Hundreds, they will pull up in the face. Rolling got the diamonds round the face. Can't trust him if you got a same face. Look, hit my line like, hey. Want that dick, don't play. Bitch, get the fuck up out my face. Just speak to that nigga face to face. light skinned bitch from LA. I don't wanna hear about your day. Shawty kept in the waist, but I'm interested in that pretty face. I'm cool with the Mozzie of the way. Need leg room, space. Pull up in the function real.
But oh yeah, as y'all can see, they're looking a whole lot better. Especially after that. Cause like up and more free. Here come another one. Here it is. Look. I'm guessing that's gonna be the third one. That's gonna lock up. Y'all love these videos. Cause on one of my videos I got 350. And I don't even get that many. And daily, I mean like, you know, like regular videos, I don't get that many views. So it's like that kind of shows that y'all love these videos more than any others. Mostly. But yeah, you know, just start getting your rubber bands, put them in all night, take it out, shake it, like, you know, make it to how it's usually supposed to look, shake it up, all of that, put water on your hair, do all that, get a towel, yeah, get a towel that looks like this. It's called Microfiber, I think it's fabric or fiber, something like that, towel, and start twisting it, start going with it, shake it again, and that's really supposed to be it, really. But y'all know we done for the night, cause you know, look outside, fam. It's nighttime. It's nighttime out there. This will be uploaded probably by, depending on my data, and I don't know, depending on my data. But I'm gonna try to hit y'all up tomorrow. Yeah, I'm gonna try to hit y'all up tomorrow. What is the video? What fiber? I think it's fabric or fiber, something like that. Towel. And start twisting it. Start going with it. Shake it again. And that's really supposed to be it, really. But y'all know we done for the night, cause you know, look outside, fam. It's nighttime. It's nighttime out there. This will be uploaded probably by, depending on my data, and I don't know, depending on my data. But I'm gonna try to hit y'all up tomorrow. Yeah, I'm gonna try to hit y'all up tomorrow. What is the video? What should be the next dread tutorial type video? I should